seen this park closed. Wow, 16 museums, usually open 365 days a year. Hey guys, so I'm doing a little sign of the times video here in San Diego, and a lot of the parks are closed, beaches are still closed. Behind me is Balboa Park, usually open, but it's completely roped off. This is the closest we can get. So usually this time of year in spring, it is very crowded here in San Diego. Lots of traffic, lots of people at the parks. But on the bright side, one of the things we're enjoying about this time is the fact that we get it all to ourselves. I mean, this park, empty. And we were able to find parking in no time, no traffic. The city has installed some areas here to wash your hands, which is nice. I've seen those all throughout the city, but ironically, they've closed a lot of the public bathrooms. It almost looks like we're on set of a movie because all of these buildings, so old, they don't even look real, not open. Everything is just completely abandoned. Beautiful Catholic church. Looks like it's open. One of the strangest things that I've seen during these times was a drive-through confession sign. Yes, you can get confession through a drive-through. Okay guys, we have reached the most haunted building in San Diego, one of the most haunted buildings in the world. This is the Whaley House. It used to be a courthouse. Lots of deaths happened in here. You can take a ghost tour. Obviously not today. So it says here, the Whaley House was built by Thomas Whaley in 1856 through 57. The oldest brick structure in Southern California. Spooky? See any ghosts? No ghosts. No ghosts today. They're inside, they're quarantining. Even the graveyard has COVID. God, ay, ay, ay. I'm definitely gonna miss jaywalking after this is over. Now it's time to order some curbside pickup to support our local restaurants. Some of the Mexican restaurants here in Old Town have homemade tortillas. From Cafe Coyote. At the COVID Cantina.
Masks are useless at protecting you against the virus, but you still need to wear one because it can save lives. And in some cases, it may even be mandatory, but also maybe not.
Woo! Darth Vader.
This is voluntary. I don't think I'm going to be doing it.
To be on a Friday night.
Wow, so a lot has changed since our first video of San Diego is empty. San Diego continues to be empty. This is one of the most touristed regions right here. We're just window shopping. Everything is just temporarily closed. Nobody's out. A couple weeks ago, they closed all of the parks and beaches. So let's see if we can find any that are open. quiet out that you can hear the sound of all the birds. There's tons of wildflowers. It is officially closed. All parks, beaches, and trails closed till further notice. This is one of the most beautiful, epic parks and trails in San Diego County. What is that we hear? The sound of silence. During this time of year in April, we have the beautiful mustard seed plants that come out, as well as the California poppies and the daisies. They are so pretty. See all these empty parking spots. Normally this entire area is just crowded, no people. First time ever. Even the bathrooms are shut down, the police are here. I've never seen it like this in my entire life living here, ever. We've been keeping 6 feet away from everybody. So a lot of people have been wearing masks. Who knows what's gonna happen next? I see a lot of police in the area. Never see it like this ever again. The water is so clear and refreshing. It looks like drinking water. This area right here is normally filled with tourists looking at the sea lions. Now nobody's here. Just eerie. This is not photoshopped. This is real life. All of these retail stores gone. Walking in the middle of the street. I am in downtown San Diego. It's a Friday night. It's about 7 o'clock and I'm in the middle of the street. There is no one out. This is the middle of the city. Nobody's out.
check it on